Hi, are you wondering how to share what you do on your computer to your community, such as in your classroom, on YouTube, or other platforms? Then you will need a screen recorder, such as OBS Studio. Go straight and in Google search, write OBS Studio. You need to download it. You may have multiple options, whether you are using Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. Click on the operating system you use. It will download directly. After downloading, go straight to your setup, then install it. After installing it, you will get a screen like this if you open that software. It looks weird, but it's just simple to use and simple to set up. The top tab is the screen where you will perform your work, where you will visualize what you do on your computer. And the down tabs, the left tab shows scenes. Mostly you will not need this one most of the time. What you need is this source tab and audio mixer and the controls. On file menu, we have show recordings. It is where you will get your recordings. If you click on exit, then you can exit the software. The edit tab, you can see. The view tab, you can see the option. You can check the docs. You can see most of the thing we have here on the tabs. The send collection, you can import, you can export, whatever, tools and the help. So let's go to the source tab. The source tab, if it doesn't show these options, then you can add important options as I'm going to show. Click on plus or add option. We have many setup: application, audio input, output, browser, color, display capture, game capture, image slide, media source, send, text, video capture, VLC video, Windows, group, etc. But we will not need all of these options by now. What we first need is a video capture device. Click on that, it will open, then you can name as you want, and after then you click OK. This is a camcorder. It shows your video talking. These are just some setup, but you can just click OK. If you click OK, it will come for you to setting up. Maybe this is large, you can reduce it. Maybe you want to place on your side, bottom side, left side, whatever you want, wherever you want. So let's put it here. That is the first one. And the second one, you go back on add option, you see display capture. Display capture also you can rename as you want, then it comes. So this is display capture. It shows some setups at the display. If you are using more than one monitor, then you will use a monitor you want to display, then okay. This highlight as a red tab, it shows how it will screenshot your computer monitor and show. So you can just also adjust it as you want. Let's say you don't want to show your task bar items. In that case, to scroll it can't be possible, but you remember to click on Alt keyboard and just come here. You can crop it, as you see. You can crop it as you want. You see, I hide my taskbar items. After that, now let's come and organize our sources. First of all, the video capture should go up, because if you don't put up, it will not show off because it is smaller than our display capture, like here. If display capture then show off on the top, then it will cover our video capture. So remember to put video capture above. You can also deactivate it here. If you close this eye, then it will disappear. If again you click on it, it will appear like that. So my option were this one: video capture devices, display capture one, window capture this, like. But it depends on what you click on and use it. Now I'm using Capture 5 and the video capture device. Now this is how you set up your display and video captures. And let's go ahead and look at the audio mixer. As long as the audio mic is moving like this, so you are good. You are good. It shows your computer is recording whatever you are talking. The control tab, it shows start streaming, recording, start virtual camera, studio mode, setting, and exit. If you exit, then it will close the software. Let's go to settings. If you go to settings, general setting, it shows your language. You can check language. It shows the themes. You can check, you can change your theme as you want. And many options you don't need to change. But if you change something, then you have to apply the changes here and click OK to close it. We have stream options. If you were using it first time, it shows Twitch. But if you want to set up in YouTube, then so that you can stream and direct goes to YouTube channel, then you can also make it. You have output settings, you have audio setting, you have in audio setting, make sure the desktop audio you are using is the default. You have video setting, you have hotkey. Now here, this one will help you to hide OBS Studio when you are recording your screen. Let's say you are just on your screen, you want to record, but instead of coming to your OBS control to say start streaming, start recording, stop recording, or stop streaming, then you have option here to use keyboards. If you say when I put A key and the Z key maybe on stop streaming, then without coming back into your OBS Studio, you will just use your keyboard directly. As an example here, use A when I record, and I use stop when I stop recording, without coming here, without coming into my into my OBS Studio to use these controls. Take that as a great note. So we have accessibility, we have advanced, and most of them you don't have to to, to change them. Now let's come back to sources. Um, this one is where you can just delete one of them. You can delete this video capture. You can remove from here, or you can just click on it or select it and then put and click here. It will go. You can remove this display capture 5 using this one, or just right click and you will have remove option. So we have other option. When you right click here, we have set color. You can set color so that you well visualize it. You can name it as you want. You can remove it. You can order them. You can transform them. Let's say you want to rotate um, this video capture device. You want to rotate it. You go to transform, then rotate 90 degree. You can see it's rotated, but these are just fancy things you don't need. The important things you need is just to set them here, and it will work directly. Maybe another setup here you can show is text. You may need a text. You can come here, create text. You can name it or just go as it. As long as you open this box where you want to type your text. Let's say subscribe to my channel. After that, you click OK. Then it will come. Then you can resize as you want. You can resize as you want. You can put it down here as you want. And here you are. So I think that's it. And in control, you just come click on start recording. And if you are done, then stop recording. And it will just go to save in your, I think it's just in your videos. It will save there. And if you exit the application. Yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you captured it well, and good luck with your recordings.